Hey, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. If it's your first time here, I'm sorry. Also, no, I did not lose a bet. This wonderful sweater was worn by my grandmother in the 90s. And when I was down helping her pack stuff up, I was just like, can I have that? And she was just like, she's like, sure. She was just like, what are you gonna do with it? And I was like, I'm gonna wear it. This week we're making Yomari. It's a dessert from Nepal. It is basically a rice flour, steamed rice flour thing. So yeah, we're gonna see how this works. Had to make a few substitutions. It calls for jaggery balls, which are like molasses, like brown sugar molasses balls. I don't have that, but I have brown sugar and I have molasses, so kind of did a little combination there. Hopefully it turns out okay. Also, I swear we had them. I don't know where they are. I guess we must have gotten rid of them. Calls for, regular brown sesame seeds, which I don't have, apparently. So I'm adding a little bit of spice, and we're gonna use black sesame seeds. So traditional, no, but it comes in many different forms. They have sweet and savory versions, so why not a bastardized version? We're gonna see what happens. I think this one's more a technique based thing. So even though reading it, it's like, oh yeah, that seems super simple. I could royally screw it up, which wouldn't be new. So I'm gonna start. We're gonna start with the dough, which should be fairly easy. It's just rice flour, all-purpose flour, and then enough warm water to stick it together. So we'll see. You know what? We have two. See what happens. So there's something to be said for wearing a turtleneck sweater in the summer, because recipe going wrong plus warm equals very frustrated and with a serious case of the fuckets. So yeah, I've got two that sort of came out, one that's very leaky. And we're gonna try it, I guess. That's very dense. I don't know if that's how that's supposed to be. Oh, okay. It smells good. It's stuck to my teeth. I mean, that's pretty good. It's chewy, which is a little weird, but like, it tastes really good. It's just a pain in the ass. Yeah, overall not bad. Could I have done this better? Probably. I did try. I was really trying. A bit distracted. We've been hatching babies. Actually, like right over on the counter, we have an incubator, and so like, I keep hearing peeping, and I'm like, I'll show you. But yeah, overall not bad. It's actually really good. I like all the flavors. But yeah, technique wise, I bombed it. Better luck next time. That should be my tagline. Anyways. Ooh, Iceland. This one. Don't know what it is. As usual. But yeah, all right, so that should be fun. I'm gonna take this sweater off because I love it. I really do. The kitten's adorable, but I am sweating so bad and I'm so uncomfortable and I just wanna go check on the chickies. So I'm gonna go do that and I'm gonna finish cleaning up. I got rice flour, rice dough on my teeth. Yeah, that's it. That's all I got. I'm gonna go stand over a fan. But yeah, thanks for watching. As usual, I'm gonna go check on some babies, and I'll see you next Tuesday. I gotta stop doing that. That's always my like, okay, I'll see you. I stuck in my mouth. Oh, look, I have fangs. Hey, Mickey, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, Mickey. Kittens.